you guys, it's Shundara. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, we will be doing a verse video between Aveeno's Nourishing Restore Cleanser and Cerave's Hydrating Cleanser. And we are going to see which one is the best product, or which one you should buy, or which one is your favorite or my favorite. With that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and swatch both products. Okay, so the first one we're going to swatch is Cerave. So this is Cerave. Oh, that is way too much. I may have to, y'all, I'm about to do something messy, but y'all, this is Cerave. What do you guys think? I'm about to scrape this back in because that was way too much product, and y'all know Cerave is expensive. Look at that's a little better. And so this is Aveeno, and then we're going to swatch it. Ooh, this goes like butter. So Aveeno versus Cerave. Let me try to make this a little bit cleaner. Okay. Look, I tried. So this one is Aveeno and this is Cerave. What do you guys think of both products? Let me know. Now you guys see my face. Yes. So basically we are going to kind of see which one is really gentle and which one is super heavy duty. And I thought just me slathering them on my face and doing a close-up was not enough. So let's go ahead and oh, I thought there was a little more in this. I'm gonna have to buy some more of this. I mean, put this in my empties, y'all. You're gonna do the Aveeno on the yellow side. Oh, I don't want to touch the paint yet. Let me I did one pump on my face, but I'm gonna just do 2 pumps in the hand. I'm gonna do one Cerave. Okay, y'all see, Cerave is a lot. So 1 pump of Cerave is perfect. So here is Cerave. What do you guys think? Let's see if it got any. This is what? Y'all see this? It barely budge. Okay, let's try Aveeno. Oh wow. Okay, so y'all see how Aveeno is coming off a little bit more, or can y'all tell the difference? So this is Aveeno. And this is Cerave. What do you guys think? Should I turn the light down? Is it too bright? Or y'all kind of like getting the gist? I know someone's gonna say, girl, this is not what hydrating cleansers are for. Yes, they are. What if you wear makeup and you don't have no cleansing balm and you need to take it off with your cleansing balm? Would you use coconut oil? What if you're allergic to coconut oil? Then what? There's a lot of what ifs here. After about a good 30 seconds, I'm starting to see. So let's kind of do a close up. So this is actually coming off a lot more in my opinion. What do you guys think? Look at, and then this one, I mean, it's patchy. I mean, you can technically say more of it's coming off, but it's not. You know how when you're supposed to rub a cleanser on your face and it's actually supposed to come off? It's giving, look, can y'all see that? Look at the difference. Do you see the difference? Here we'll do 1 paper towel for one side and the other. Or kind of, I'm cheap, honey. I'm cheap. Let's conserve. Bam. So here is this. Okay, so that is Aveeno. Wow, that was amazing. And let's see. Okay, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? This is Aveeno and this is Cerave. I'm a little iffy now because I was expecting it to be a little rough. Let's see if we have like a tint after we wipe them off, and then that will give us the true tea. Okay, you guys, so I finished washing it off. I'm gonna go ahead and do a close-up. So what do you guys think? Here is the yellow side with the Aveeno cleanser. And here is the side with the Cerave. What do you guys think? We have a lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. So let's talk about Cerave's Hydrating Cleanser versus Aveeno's Nourishing Oat Cleanser, Calm and Restore. In my personal opinion, after using both for about 2 weeks, I think they're both wonderful cleansers. I do feel the Cerave's cleanser is a bit more hydrating. You have very sensitive skin, almost eczema leaning, and you have like really bad acne flare-ups. I think you would really enjoy the Cerave's Hydrating Cleanser as opposed to the Aveeno's Oat Nourishing Cleanser. While it is perfect for sensitive skin, I do feel that the Cerave cleanser is definitely more hydrating. I think the Aveeno Oat Nourishing Cleanser is also perfect for sensitive skin as well. It is hydrating, just not as hydrating as Cerave. However, if you're a person who does wear a lot of makeup, you're not really a natural girl, I do feel you would enjoy the Aveeno Oat Nourishing Cleanser, basically because it really gives you that clean feeling on the skin as opposed to CeraVe's Hydrating Cleanser. I mean, my skin felt very, very clean after using the Oat Nourishing Cleanser as opposed to CeraVe's Hydrating Cleanser. So if you're a person who gets a lot of residue from your skincare, if you have a 3-step skincare routine, 4, 5, 6 steps depending on you, and you really need that clean feeling, but you have you don't really use a lot of salicylic acid or glycolic acids, then you will really enjoy the Aveeno Oat Cleanser because it really cleanses the skin very well with being nourishing, with calming the skin down from acne inflammation. A lot of you guys know I've had closed comedone, so I have really bad acne on my forehead lately, and I really enjoy the Aveeno Oat Nourishing Cleanser when I really want a clean feeling, because I've been using a lot of hydrating cleansers or cleansers for sensitive skin that aren't completely stripping my skin of oils. And if you're a person who does not want your skin completely stripped of oils, I think you would enjoy the Cerave Hydrating Cleanser. But if you're a person who needs like that clean feeling but your skin still is sensitive, then that I feel you would enjoy the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Oat Nourishing Cleanser. So they're completely different. I thought they would be the same, but they're really not. They're both really great cleansers for the winter time to hydrate your skin, soothe your skin. But like I said, if you really want a clean feeling, then I would go with Aveeno. But if you're a person with very sensitive skin to the touch, then you would probably really enjoy CeraVe's Hydrating Cleanser as opposed to the Oat Cleanser. But if you just have regular sensitive skin, then I really think you would enjoy the Aveeno. They're completely different cleansers. I enjoy both, but those are my final thoughts. Let me know in the comments down below, have you guys tried both cleansers? What do you think? Which one is your favorite? Let me know. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. And make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.